What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to start a 1977 Honda NC50, also known as the Honda Express. It's a very simple process to get one of these started, but if you do miss something, you might have a lot of trouble starting your bike. So with that being said, let's get into all these steps to starting your 1977 Honda NC50. First, we're going to start with all of our electrical. We're going to first make sure that our key is in the on position. Now on the right side of your handlebars, your engine kill switch turn to run, right in that middle position. Both of these are off. It doesn't matter which way. You just have to have this on run. All right, now our bike will have spark and can actually fire up. So let's go ahead and open our two gas ports. So this carburetor can get gas and we can use that spark to start this thing up. First, on your gas cap, you need to switch that off to on. Now lastly, on the right side of your bike, you'll have your petcock. You can go ahead and turn that on and now you'll have gas flow to the carburetor. Now, this next step of the bike is very important, so please do not skip it because you could break something, possibly damage your bike, and have a lot of frustrations because it is not starting the way you think it's going to. So let me tell you guys something. This Kickstarter here is not a Kickstarter on the 1977. Some bikes do have Kickstarters, but the 1977, as far as I'm aware, does not. So this is actually a wind-up spring. You'll notice that when I go ahead and push down, you hear something grabbing and not letting go. That's the spring loading up on the inside of this transmission. I think it's about 5 full push downs with your feet, and now it won't go any farther. That means that your spring is at max tension and you're ready to start your bike. And I actually do have an example so you guys can see. As you guys see, that's the spring right there that you're twisting up, and the gears are grabbing and holding on to that. And if you're starting your bike on a rather cold day or it's been a while, you're going to want to make sure that you put your choke all the way on. It will come back a little bit. It won't fully sit open. That's okay. That's how it's supposed to be. Now, with all of your electrical on and your gas on and open and our choke, because this bike hasn't ran in a while, all you have to do once your motor is wound up is hit this left brake lever. And your bike should be good to go. Now, you'll give this bike about 20 to 30 seconds to fully warm up before taking off that choke and just letting it run and idle. And the reason why you press that left brake in is because that cable is actually attached to a lever down here. It's also attached to your rear brake. Now, when I pull this lever in, you'll actually notice that that little arm pulls forwards. And when you do that, you're actually allowing the motor to free up and unwind that spring and kick over the top end. And there you guys go. That's how you start your 1977 Honda NC50, also known as the Honda Express. I hope this helped. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys like mopeds and just want to learn more. Thanks for watching and ride safe.